What's up, YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to learn how to take tire pressure, or how to figure out what the tire pressure is, or how to use a tire pressure gauge. One of these things costs about $2. Had this for a while now, but it's really easy to use and cheap. Why would we want to take tire pressure? If you like good gas mileage, that's why you want to keep track of your tire pressure. So anyway, when you look down at your tire, you're going to see one of these little caps here. Twist the cap off. Take one of these little tire gauges, line it up, push it in there, and you'll see this one comes out to about 32 psi. The tire wall kind of tells you what it should be, and if you're not sure, it should also be in your manual or on the inside of your door jamb. You'll see here this one is 32 psi for the front and the back on cold tire pressure. So that's what you should be looking at for this particular car. Check it out on your car, and now you know how to take the tire pressure. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.